Hello everyone. Are you looking to learn photo or video editing from a beginner level to an advanced level? So if you're looking to learn video editing or start on with editing out your videos quite nice or want to build your career in video editing, then you're in the right place where I'll be explaining you guys about Adobe Premiere Pro, which is one of the best in the market for video editing. This provides you with a professional level of video editing and also different type of options like slowing down and many things as well. Okay, so big video editors as well as many content creators, they use Adobe Premiere Pro for their video editing as well. Okay, so here I bring you guys with a tutorial on Adobe Premiere Pro. If you're just new starting on with video editing, no problem, you guys can join this class as well, because this class mostly based on beginners, and also I do have some advanced lessons which you guys can also recommend after completing the beginner level things. Okay, but if you are already an advanced user, then you guys can basically skip those beginner things, and after that you guys can directly move on to our advanced lesson. Okay, so let's see what all we are going to learn from here in this particular chapter, what all I have covered. So first off, I'll be introducing you guys to Adobe Premiere Pro, what it basically is, how it works, how it is quite different from any other video editing software, and why it is the best in the market. And after that, the most basic thing, how you can import your video and also start trimming down your video, like you are not splitting it but trimming. I'll show you guys the difference between splitting and also trimming. And after that, I'll tell you how you can color correct in Adobe Premiere Pro, how you can put the different colors, how you can increase the temperature, increase or decrease the saturation, and also put different kind of effects in your footage. I'll show you guys also how you can do transition between videos. Suppose you do have 4 or 5 footage and you'd want that transition to be quite smooth. So Premiere Pro is built in such a way that it provides you with different type of transition option. But if you want to import or browse others as well, you guys can do that. And next we'll come to the audio. I'll tell you guys about leveling and also how you can manually balance your audio. Okay. If you do have audio in your video, how you guys can manually balance that, I'll show you. And also I'll show you guys about leveling. And after that, I'll be telling you guys if you want to add any kind of text in Premiere Pro, I'll explaining you detail about text in this particular chapter. After that, I'll be showing you guys how you can export. Like once you're done with your work, I'll be showing you how you can actually export that in your system and also upload it in your social media. And after that, we'll be learning in detail about editing your audio. I have showed you everything about audio editing in detail. Okay, here I have already showed you about leveling and manually balancing your audio. But here I'll be explaining you in detail how you can edit your audio from the scratch and also about audio transitioning. Okay, so it is quite similar like video transitioning, but here instead of video, I do have an audio. And next we'll come to color grading and also how you can add your LUT. LUTs are different type of effects, or in color grading, there are different effects which you guys can put. And after that, I'll show you guys how you can get started with your social media video. Like if you want to edit your social media videos, how you guys can do that. And also I'll be showing you guys about text animation in Premiere Pro. Like if you do have a particular text, how you can use the position, the scaling, using the effects, how you can actually change the motion. Okay, we'll be showing all of this in detail. And after that, I do have a particular project where I have shown you guys from the scratch of how you can create an Instagram story in Premiere Pro. Okay, I have shown you guys how to create an Instagram story. I have showed you guys many popped up menus, how you can bring that, how you can bring dancing letters, and all of this as well. And after that, I have also showed you how you can save your own motion graphic template and also use the default Mogar templates. I'll be showing you how you can create your own motion graphic template and also how you can use default Mogar templates. Like if you, I have showed you how to create those. Okay. And next, I have shown you another project on how to slow down or speed up your video. Like I have showed you how to do your videos in a slow motion and also fasten up your footage in Premiere Pro. And after this class, you guys will be basically able to make a slow-mo video, or you can also fasten your footage. You will be able to make your own motion graphic template. Also, you will be able to make your social media platform post quite interesting and also visually appealing. I have shown you guys also text animation. You guys will be able to do text animation as well. And also you will have a better idea about color grading and also color correction. Okay. And I also do have few of the class project for you as this is a project based class. So at the same time, we'll be also doing class project. Okay, so I do have two class project for you. The first one will be I'll give you guys to make your own motion graphic. And the second class project is you'll be doing the color correction in your footage. So I have shown you guys how to do that. I have showed you guys the steps. And also I'll be waiting for you guys to upload your particular file in our project panel. Okay. So hope to see you all in the tutorial in the first chapter of our Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. And during the course, if you guys do have any kind of problem or if you face any difficulty in learning, you guys can always reach out because I'm always there for you guys. Okay. So take care, everyone, and see you all in my tutorial on Adobe Premiere Pro.